Artificial intelligence is like teaching a very patient helper how to live among humans. Imagine a child who has no memories, no instincts, and no common sense, only the ability to watch, listen, and learn. At first, it copies you. It notices how you unlock your phone, how you choose a song, how you ask for directions, or how you recognize a familiar face in a crowd. Over time, it starts to understand patterns, just like you do when you learn to drive a familiar road without thinking. AI is the feeling your phone has when it finishes your sentence, the shopkeeper who remembers what you usually buy, or the friend who suggests a movie knowing your taste. It doesn't feel emotions, but it understands habits. It doesn't think like a human, but it learns from human behavior. In simple terms, artificial intelligence is a mirror made of logic. It watches how people solve problems and tries to do the same, faster and without getting tired. It's not a brain with a heart, it's a tool with memory, learning from everyday human experiences to make life a little easier, one small decision at a time. You can also think of AI as giving a machine a thinking habit rather than a fixed list of instructions. It is like a helper who quietly observes how you do things, learns your preferences, remembers patterns, and gradually becomes more helpful every day without getting tired or bored. By listening, observing, and learning from experience, AI can suggest, recognize, respond, and even predict. In short, AI is a digital mind that learns from experience and helps machines behave a little more like humans, only faster, tireless, and without emotions. AI is already acting as a silent helper, guiding, protecting, predicting, and assisting us every day. Here are 10 real-world impressive uses of AI that people are already using in daily life, often without even realizing it. 1. Smartphone Face Unlock. When your phone unlocks by looking at your face, AI is working behind the scenes. It studies your facial features and learns to recognize you, even if you grow a beard, wear glasses, or change lighting. 2. Google Maps and Ride apps. Apps like Google Maps, Careem, and Uber use AI to predict traffic jams, suggest faster routes, estimate arrival time accurately. AI learns from millions of drivers' movements to guide you better. 3. Voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. These assistants understand what you say, even with different accents. AI helps them understand your words, guess what you mean, and improve responses over time. They don't just hear, they understand patterns in speech. 4. YouTube, Netflix, and TikTok recommendations. Ever wondered how these apps know what you'll like next? AI watches what you watch, how long you watch, what you skip. Then it predicts content you'll enjoy, sometimes better than a human friend. 5. Spam detection in email and messages. AI protects you daily by detecting scam emails, filtering fake SMS messages, and blocking fraud calls. It learns from millions of scams to recognize new ones instantly. 6. Medical diagnosis assistants. Doctors now use AI to detect cancer from X-rays, spot diseases in scans, and predict health risks early. AI doesn't replace doctors, it supports them by spotting things humans might miss. 7. Fraud detection in banks. Banks use AI to monitor transactions. If something unusual happens, like your card being used in another city, AI raises an alert immediately. It learns your spending habits and notices suspicious behavior. 8. Self-driving and driver-assist cars. Modern cars use AI to stay in lanes, detect pedestrians, and apply emergency brakes. Even cars that aren't fully self-driving already rely on AI for safety. 9. Customer support chatbots. Many websites use AI chatbots that answer questions instantly, work 24/7, and learn from past conversations. They improve with every interaction. 10. AI writing and design tools. AI tools now help people write emails and reports, create logos and images, and translate languages instantly. They act like creative assistants, saving time and effort.